surface, it's something like grass, but carpet, turf, right? Right. So it's a bit different. We're not so used to that one here. But it was very comfortable playing. You know, it's more strategic. You know, paying attention to the bounce of the ball. So for me, it was a good first round match. You know, easing through the first round.
Well, it's a learning experience, and as you go on, you learn. And he was much better player than me. And as I go, it's better to play better players. So that's where you grow, and you have to, you know. So you go.
And the conditions here, what you thought of it?
It's very slidey. A lot of the ball just skid past me, and because it's grass and slidey, so you run around the place. It's like ice skating, you know.
Boy, it's like grass. It's out there like Wimbledon right now. I mean, I never watched enough Dustin Brown highlights before I came out here. Otherwise, I would have been fine. But for the next match, I will watch a couple of Dustin Brown reels, and then I will come out there and just live at the net.
But you definitely tried to keep the ball going, right?
Tried. It was impossible though, man. That ball, it skid, it dropped, it bounced, it did. You never knew what was coming with each ball, so I couldn't really get a pattern going. And then with the serves too, when they hit that ball, the court is just shooting. So a lot of sudden net points in the second set caught me because the return just kept. It was just I couldn't get used to it today.
I didn't play that bad, but just the surface and the way the ball bounces, it's very difficult to get the ball back in the court.
Was the wind a factor today, you think?
Yes, the wind is going in multiple directions, and it's hard to kind of guess where the ball's going to end up.
I think I played really well. We haven't had much tournaments, so I think I came out and I did what I usually do. I served pretty well and I was volleying well. I executed well. Yeah, I played well.
On the court?
On the court, it's any man's game out there. It's any man's game. All of us, we're new to this surface. So I think just come out and just play your best and see what happens from there.
Why, it's the strangest conditions I've ever played. Between the surface, I never played on this before. The wind, the sun, the heat in general, why, wicked. So at the first few games, I was getting used to it and settling, and ended up coming through all right. So I can't complain at the end of the day.
Old school style of slicing is very good on the surface. It plays a lot like grass. When the ball touches the surface, it shoots like a cannon. So that top spin new type of game is not as effective as the slicing and the dicing and the volleying. So his game was very effective on the surface today.